AudioLink XT can be used as a remote microphone in group situations or one-on-one conversations to stream sound from your environment to your audio processor. First, make sure that AudioLink XT is paired with your audio processor. Then, press the mic button to start streaming. The mic button will light up to show that the remote mic is activated. To position the mic effectively for group conversations, you can place AudioLink XT in the docking station or use the clip for one-on-one conversations. To end remote microphone mode, press the microphone button again.